Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Porsche Macan rear spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security products and service. BONOSS Porsche Macan rear spaces have global pattern active cooling design. The bloxsport active cooling Porsche Macan rear spaces are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed with petal shape, these grooves allow external cold air to flow continuously inside the rear spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS Porsche Macan rear spaces are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two kind of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 60626, and another is aluminum alloy 00756. The 60626 for daily driving, and the 00756 for racing, drifting, or streaming driving. MH also grade 10 lug nuts. The metal inset lug nuts use cool materials by continuous forging process. MH also grade 12.9 rules that material both use SCM410 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and GV test report. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. You can customize the wheel spaces complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and PCDCB composition. BONOSS has a complete Porsche Macan rear spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have strong supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of larger volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS Porsche Macan rear spaces come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Porsche Macan rear spaces and make the rear spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance parts and really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS. Who Porsche will?